vibing, nigga, I'm high right now. Can't you see I be chillin', nigga, I stay right here. This Tallahassee all day in my blood, nigga. Been thinking all of my life, I'm a thug, nigga. What you gonna say? How you gonna feel, nigga? When I took my steel, finna shoot you in your grill, nigga. Ain't nobody bullshitting with you, homie. So you better lay back, or I'll push you, homie. I'm talking about with that pistol, nigga, that motherfucking 12 gauge. They hit you across your head, nigga, leave you in your heydays. Nigga, you can't breathe no more. Nigga, I took your hoe. Cause you's a pussy, nigga, ever since, nigga, 94. So get the fuck back, nigga, I be smoking. Y'all hoes around here gon' be fucking choking. On a big dick like mine, you better hope I don't fuck up your time, cause bitch, you finna smoke. On a big dick like a cigar, you already know. Bitch, ain't never playing across this shit, nigga, best to go. I motherfucking traffic everywhere I go. I run a holler, leave the police on fucking slow. Cause I'm on go, nigga, non-stop. Nigga, hit motherfucking traffic. Nigga, get back at this game. Yeah, I be selling, nigga, yeah, I be banking, dog. But I ain't gon' let nothing bring me down, not even y'all. So bitch ass nigga, stand up. Nigga, I been manned up. And I get this shit like commando, y'all niggas Lando. On this shit, nigga, go and get this bitch, nigga. I was toting this motherfucking chopper and killing this. Drink this, sip that, take a seat. Oh, matter of fact, stand up, I'm finna pee. Off on your chest, to your fucking breast. You already know, I'm the fucking best. Monticello, Florida, I fuck with all the way. Tallahassee, Florida, I fuck with all the way. Tulsa, Oklahoma, y'all okay? I just boot up this shit, nigga, let's spray. I rob and steal and kill, nigga, who you is? Don't run up on me, dawg, I'm for real. When I shoot you, I'm gon' shoot you. Make your whole family die, who gon' do you? Nigga might as well get a closed casket or send that nigga straight in the ashes box, nigga. Drop this motherfucking head on the sock. Ain't nobody playing, nigga, I'm the man. I been selling dope when I was 12. Never went to jail, but 3 times hell.